Let us look at JEE Main 2015 problem number 20. It is again based on electric potential. Two problems have come on electric potential this year. This says that there is a uniformly solid sphere. Its potential at the surface is V0. So we are supposed to find the values of R1, R2, R3 and R4. They have given different potentials, 3/2 V0, 5/4 V0, 3/4 V0, etc. And we are supposed to find the relationship between R1, R2, R3 and R4. We use the formula V in, potential inside a solid sphere is given by this formula, where small r is the distance from the center, and V out, not VO, it is V out, and any point outside the sphere, the formula of electric potential will be given by minus Gm upon R, where R is the distance from its center. Look at this value, this is greater than 3/2, so this point must be inside. This is 5/4, which is again greater than V0, this point also must be inside. 3/4 is less than V0, so this point is outside. And V0/4 is also outside because it is less than 1. Let us first find the value of R1. Let us apply this formula. In this formula, let us equate minus Gm upon 2R cube into 3R square minus R square. This is equal to 3/2 times V0 and 3/2, and V0 is on the surface, that is minus Gm upon R. Let us cancel Gm on both the sides. Let us cancel 2 here. This R cube will become R square as this R cancels, and this R square minus will also cancel, and what I will get here is 3R square minus R square. You can see this R square will go here, 3 is here, is equal to 3R square. Again 3R square cancel, and that gives me R is equal to 0. This means this potential 3/2 V0 is at the center, and that is why R1 is 0, because it is at the center. So we got our first answer, that is R1 is 0. Now let us compute R2. For R2 we have 5/4 V0, so let us compute the value of R2 here. Again I will use the same thing, minus Gm upon 2R cube into 3R square minus R square is minus of 5/4 Gm upon R. Again let us cancel Gm here. R cube will become R square as this R goes, this 2 and this will become 2. Minus will also cancel, and I will get cross multiply, this 2 will come here, and that gives me 6R square minus 2R square is equal to 5R square, and that gives me 2R square is equal to R square. Of course this is same as saying R as R/√2, and that is my value of R2, which is R/√2. On the similar lines, we are going to compute R3. You can see that R3 is 3 V0/4, which is outside. So I will use minus Gm upon R3 is minus 3/4, and V0 is Gm upon R. Gm will cancel, and I get R3 as 4R/3. This is my R3. On the similar lines, let us compute R4. Please see here, R4 corresponds to V0 upon 4. Obviously that means R4 will be 4 times R. The similar lines. Now let me rewrite the values here for our simple understanding. I am having R1 is equal to 0, R2 is equal to R/√2, R3 is equal to 4R/3, and R4 is equal to 4R. Now we'll look at the options. Look at the options here. R1 equal to 0 is the correct option. Let us check whether R2 is less than R4 minus R3. So let me do R4 minus R3.